Hello, welcome back to another video of JavaScript. In this video we'll talk about how you can create functions conditionally, or how you can call the function conditionally. That we'll show. So function expression are also very much useful when you need to conditionally create function. As you can see in this code that we have a function expression, and this is a anonymous function, and we are assigning it to add number variable. So like this one, we can create another function, anonymous function for subtraction. So you can see here that we have another function which is also taking the parameter a and b, and it is returning the value of the subtracted value from a to b. Okay, now we can call, or we can create the function conditionally like this way. Let me show the example. So you can choose any function or any operation like this. So we have a variable, we have taking any variable operation to perform, then we are trying to generate a random number, and if that particular generated number is less than 0.5, then this add number will be assigned to this operation to perform. Otherwise it will add subtract number to this particular operation variable. As this is the conditional operator, we know that we are conditionally assigning the name of the operations. That may be the add number, or that may be the subtract number, based on the random number that will be generated. Now what will happen, this particular operation we can call it through this operation to perform. Now let me show that one as well. Now we can call this particular function. So this function we have to pass the value, as this function will take the variable a and b. So that's why you have to pass the a and b as an argument. Now in this result variable, we will get the return value from any of this particular function based on the randomly generated value. Now we can show it to the console. Okay, now let me write the code for it. So here we will console it, and we will pass the value variable name here result. So let me save it, and then I'll show you the result. So if we'll go to the output section, and if we'll refresh it, as you can see that we are getting 15 here. So if we'll replace it, you can see 5. Okay, so again if we'll replace, you will see 5, 15, 5 again. Just replace, you will get 5, 15. So based on the variable value randomly generated, you can see the output. So let me show, just let me make it little bit smaller again. So I can change the random variable to my own variable. For example, if I'll make it true, then what will happen, 0.4 I can give, and if I'll save it, you can see that it is showing the value 15. Because what will happen, so if we'll give here 0.4, that means the operation or this condition will true. Okay, and it will, and the operation to perform will be the add number, and if you'll pass the add number 10 and 5, then it will call this particular add number anonymous function, and it will return 15. But if you'll make it as a false, for example, if I'll give here 0.6, and if you'll save the number, then what will happen in the operation to perform, it will get its value as a subtract number. Okay, and here it will, the operation to perform will send the value to the subtract anonymous function. Okay, here for this one, and it will take the value 10 and 5 over here, and it will subtract the value, and it will return. So that's why this particular variable gets its value to 5. So that's why it is showing 15. So this way actually this function work actually working, and we can conditionally assign the function to a particular variable, and based on that we can actually perform our operations. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any confusion, you can repeat the video once again, and if you have any specific question, you can ask it in the comment section. We'll try to resolve as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.